Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajialang jong kekenhon menteri jong ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kebalalong hak sipotrek mentau benaino opera ada ke kendai. Kelai keran saniba halor ke jinglong jingman ke sensar khadar menta Hakase Hills Autonomous District Council. Khamtam hadian ke jingklem no ke liang sensar jong ke United Democratic Alliance ke balai lam do batin world khar kom chief executive member. Hadian bakani ke kekenhon menteri hakani ke sengi kelai tai saniba halor ke KHADC. Batru ke jingweng no ke jingkersan da MDC jong ke seng kongres hi namairang uba bat skam renta tiang ya ke jingkersan ya kini ke isi ke bamenta balai lam da MDC ke nong temai uba latip langkar kongor kom CM kaliang sencar menta kaladan hapdeng ke jingtuna pan bat ke bamyak bet ya renti show kumta halor kini ke kenram ke bamenta Hakase Hills Autonomous District Council kajialang jong ke kenhon menteri hakani ke sengi kalasim ya kara da ke wekesur ban ajing mod no yulat ke jela utatha gata roy ban penjari no da ke administrator rules HKHADC.
There is instability in the district council and the fact that just few days back there were certain numbers that were on one side and within a week or 10 days time again there was a change which came out in the press as you're aware and the member has again given support to the other side. So in that kind of a situation we have recommended that because there is no clarity and there's uncertainty and instability that administrator's rule should be invoked in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. But this time, as I said, because of the fact that really there is a very fluid situation and which is not good for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the entire governance out there. So therefore, in this kind of a situation where things are very fluid and numbers are changing continuously, the most appropriate thing and that the government feels should do, the governor should do, is to have administrator rule. The court has given us its standing, saying that whatever may be the Honourable High Court has said that whatever may be the outcome of this case or the proceedings, that the governor is not doesn't stop the governor from taking his decision. So court has been very clear on that.